Here's how I like to define business intelligence. It's moving from data to action. Now, every single organization is doing that in one way or another. It could be with just some static reports. You're bringing your data out of the system and maybe putting some analytics and reporting together in Microsoft Excel. And there's a lot of manual process usually involved in that, but somehow you're getting to a decision and you're getting to an action based on that decision. Well, what business intelligence aims to do is to move from those manual processes and automate some of that for you. So it's moving from data to action, but doing it in the most efficient way possible. That's how I like to define business intelligence. So that we've been through evolution in the business intelligence practice. Here's where it all started. When business intelligence became a thing, we had the first wave, and here's where organizations had IT people or very technical people develop business intelligence tools and analytics reports for the end user in the organization. That's how it started. So it was naturally the technical people that picked up on data analytics, and they were creating things for the organization. Then the second wave, then that started to evolve. Businesses started to see the value in having someone in the organization that's focusing specifically on business intelligence. So they're not thinking about anything else IT related. They're just business intelligence analysts, and they're also serving the same need though. They're focusing on business intelligence, and they're providing the tools, the analytics to the end user and the organization. Well, we're actually already in wave 3 of business intelligence evolution, and that is just everyone. So because of the tools that are out in the market, what we're seeing and what's happening in the market is these tools, these business intelligence tools, are being leveraged by absolutely everyone and anyone in the organization. So you don't have the BI professionals, although you might have some to support your full progress, and that's a good idea. But what you have is people getting training in tools like Power BI and developing their own reports for their own needs. So not just financial needs, not just sales needs, but just think across the organization, sort of like what happened to Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel was a very technical tool when it just first came out, a spreadsheet tool, and what ended up happening is it started to be used across the whole organization. Well, that's what's happening with business intelligence and tools like Power BI.